This is a video demonstration of the Electrovert Electra 500F. We will see this unit operating with solder in the pot. For demonstration purposes only, that solder will be removed prior to shipment. This unit is extremely clean and production ready. It's hard to show all the capabilities with this machine due to the nature of operation. We will be spraying some solvent. We'll show you a dry board going in and pull that board out after the ultrasonic spray fluxer has exercised to show you that indeed it is wet on the back. We'll go over and show you the PC proving that each of the preheats are fired. It does have 4 preheats with the 4th preheat with top side, bottom side and top side. Top side is the quartz. The Electrovert Electra is an advanced, highly flexible wave soldering system designed for high volume manufacturers. Well, at least that's what it says in their brochure. So let's take a quick spin around. We're going to start here with the spray fluxer. Again, this is an ultrasonic spray fluxer. We'll show you the board here real quick. This is our demonstration board. It's dry on both sides. We'll load that into the system, and then we're going to pull it off just to show you that indeed it is been sprayed upon, because it's hard to see. Light a little bit here. Push the shadow away from these. There we go. Hopefully you can see that it is wet. Now this system has the 2V and 1L fingers. That's the fingers as they go by. We reloaded this board. We'll spray flux again. This time we'll watch from the top, but we wanted to show you that the rails are indeed straight and through. Hopefully I'll remember to show you the board before we're all done here. Now we'll move on to the preheat section. You see our board is traversing its way. We've got 4 convections. All are running. And this top side is the quartz. We'll turn that on so you can see that lit up.
The preheater starting to heat.
Hopefully you can see that those quartz lamps are fired up. Now, obviously something's missing, and that's the pot. Well, we pulled the pot out because it's easier to show you that it is running. We'll walk around the end there.
Board tracking.
board tracking, you can see that.
So the bottom preheats, they're all set at 100, maintaining 100. Next one. Next one. Last one. The board is working its way out. You can see.
Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but that board is down there. It's making its way. All right, now let's go to the pot here. First, we'll get a little bit better view of the environment that the pot will be running in. Fairly clean. That board just about ready to come out. See, the board's just about ready to come to the end of its conveyor. Now, this system was operating in a leaded solder environment. It does have the cast for lead free. As you can see, a beautiful wave. Running very well. No issues with this pot whatsoever. All right, now we're gonna go up. I'll show you the serial tag. I always tell a lot by the manner in which the brains of the unit are organized. And this particular cabinet came to us very clean, and it remains very clean. Really, all we had to do here was kind of dust it out. This open so you can see the other side of the spray ultrasonic spray flexor. And then our solvent cabinet. So this was plumbed for nitrogen. It's got the Opti 2 ultrasonic. It is motorized with. I hope to show you that here in our next segment. Showed you the solder nozzle. Showed you the fingers, the 2 V's with L. 4 preheat with 1 of the preheat, both top and bottom. Lead-free design, but it was used leaded solder. So with this, we're gonna stop here, and then we're gonna button it up and let you see what it looks like after it's all closed up. And here is the Electrovert Electra 500F, all buttoned up. See, the glass is pristine condition. One final thing that we wanted to show you is the rails. They move very nicely, very quiet. We've got it set at 5 inches right now, and you'll see the rail moving out. Got my finger on the other side holding that rule. Just wanted to, because it moves so slow, give you that perspective of it moving. As it continues to move out, we'll take a walk along the unit. There's the solder pot inside. That's my ugly mug in the shadow there. Set that. Looking down the rails. And then a wider view of the back of the system. And that concludes our video demonstration.